Hi, I'm Jack Hemingway with the Gardening Products Review, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to sharpen your bypass hand pruners with a carbide tool. The tool I'm going to use is made by Pruner. It's their model AC8300, and I wanted to give you a close-up here on how we do this. I normally like to start with the top cutting blade. The ground-in angle of the blade you can begin to see here. It's a little rusty, but I'm going to start to remove that with this carbide. The important thing is to follow the angle of that machined in angle of the blade. You don't want to tilt your carbide too much or not enough. Again, you want to follow that factory machine setting. So I'm going to come across here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They recommend at Corona that you do this 4 or 5 times. You can actually see, hopefully, that I've removed the rust and I have a nice shiny piece of steel here. The other operation you're going to do is you're going to take the carbide tool and make one pass that goes all the way across the back of the blade. But what's important is you actually hold the carbide flat to the back of the blade. So as we go across like this, you make one pass, which is called deburring the blade. Now let's not forget about the other blade, which is called the counter blade. We also want to sharpen that. So normally what I do is I'll start in this particular position with the carbide here, and I'll follow that angle again of the counter blade. So I'll come in here and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you can see this up close, there's actually some nice shiny metal right at this point here. Now again, like the cutting blade, we're going to take the burr off the back side of the counter blade, and all we have to do is keep this parallel to the counter blade surface and make one pass. And there you have it. You've sharpened your bypass pruners.